piece. Are you filming?
Yes.
Okay. This is a piece of Americana. Some quality American history right here. So you'd think that the Midnight Special tobacco was like named after that song, right? It's like a song about trains. It's like, let the midnight special shine your light on me.
Is that older than that?
Let the midnight special. No. It originated in the 80s. And I know this because I was buying this tobacco at the tobacco shop right up by North Campus Video. Does everybody know where that is?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, everybody knows where that is. So, and he was like, do you know how this came about? And I was like, no, I don't know. And I was like, it's a song, and he's like, no, okay. He was marketing for this company, Lane Limited, back in the 80s, and they were trying to market to prisoners. So they went around to all these prisons and polled people on what they liked best, just generally in life. And they said trains, and they said the TV show, the Midnight Special that was on in the 80s. It was like a variety show with like all these soul bands and stuff like that. And so they just decided they would put like 2 and 2 together and make the Midnight Special Rolling Tobacco, and that's what we have today. Nothing to do with the song at all.
Beautiful.